Paris, the city of lights, where every street corner tells a story and every monument whispers tales of romance and history. As you plan your itinerary for this enchanting destination, let's delve deeper into the plethora of experiences awaiting you in the heart of France. Unveiling Paris's treasures, must-visit attractions. The Eiffel Tower. Standing tall and proud against the Parisian skyline, the Eiffel Tower is an emblem of the city's grandeur. Ascend to its observation decks for unparalleled views of the sprawling metropolis below, or enjoy a leisurely picnic in the Champ de Mars gardens at its base. The Louvre Museum. Delve into the world of art and culture at the Louvre, one of the most renowned museums on the planet. Lose yourself amidst the vast collection of masterpieces, including the enigmatic Mona Lisa and the majestic Winged Victory of Samothrace. Notre Dame Cathedral. Though tragically damaged by fire, the enduring beauty of Notre Dame Cathedral continues to captivate visitors. Admire its Gothic architecture and intricate stained glass windows as you reflect on centuries of history and craftsmanship. Which part of Paris do you love most? Please let us know in the comment section below. Immersive experiences. Things to do in Paris. Seine River cruise. Embark on a leisurely cruise along the Seine River, where iconic landmarks glide past like scenes from a postcard. Marvel at the illuminated bridges, including the romantic Pont des Arts, and let the gentle rhythm of the water soothe your soul. Montmartre exploration. Wander through the bohemian streets of Montmartre, where artists once sought inspiration in its charming cafes and winding alleys. Climb the steps to the Sacré-Cœur Basilica for sweeping city views, or discover hidden gems in the lively Place du Tertre. Rue Claire Market. Indulge your senses at the bustling Rue Claire Market, where stalls brim with fresh produce, artisanal cheeses, and fragrant flowers. Join the locals as they peruse the offerings, and remember to sample a warm baguette or decadent pastry along the way. If you enjoy this video, then please like and subscribe to our channel and enjoy other videos. Parisian Delights Insider Travel Tips. Paris Pass Advantage. Maximize your time in Paris with the convenience of a Paris Pass, granting you skip-the-line access to top attractions like the Louvre and Versailles Palace. With unlimited public transportation and discounts at select restaurants and shops, it's the key to unlocking the city's treasures. Cafe Culture Immersion. Embrace the quintessential Parisian experience with a leisurely visit to a sidewalk cafe. Sip on a rich espresso or indulge in a decadent croissant as you watch the world go by. And don't be afraid to strike up a conversation with friendly locals. Bonjour etiquette. Respect Parisian customs by greeting locals with a polite bonjour before engaging in conversation. This simple gesture fosters goodwill and enhances cultural immersion during your stay. Capture the magic. Paris Vlog and 4K Experience Paris Vlog Adventure. Document your Parisian escapades with a captivating travel vlog, showcasing the highlights of your journey for friends, family, and fellow travelers to enjoy. From exploring iconic landmarks to sampling delicious cuisine, let your personality shine as you share your experiences with the world. Paris in 4K splendor. Immerse yourself in the breathtaking beauty of Paris with stunning 4K footage that brings the city to life in exquisite detail. Watch as sunlight dances on the Seine River, or marvel at the intricate architecture of the Notre Dame Cathedral, all from the comfort of your own home. Paris is more than a destination, it's a state of mind, a tapestry of culture, history, and beauty woven together to create an unforgettable experience. So pack your bags, lace up your walking shoes, and prepare to embark on a journey through the enchanting streets of the City of Lights. Paris awaits, ready to enchant and inspire you at every turn. Please enjoy other videos from our channel.